Good morning, afternoon, evening, folks. This is Just Mutant Jed here. It's been a while since I've done anything speaking directly to my audience. Um, I have an unboxing, and it's from Elderwood Academy, whom I've featured on this very channel a couple of times before. Forgive me if I sound weird. I have contracted yet another head cold. It's not the vid, believe me. I know I've tested. Um, yeah, part of the hazards of working with the public. I am just a little bit under the weather, but nothing major. So I'm gonna keep this quick and dirty because, well, I'm kind of tired and it's been a long night and yeah. So, anyways, I've been looking forward to this for a while. It actually arrived about a week ago now, and I've been eagerly awaiting it. The campaign ran a little bit behind this time. It's not really Elderwood's fault per se. Um, I am informed that they had some setbacks at their shop and so forth that needed to be dealt with. So I don't really hold that against them. I have known their products for a while now, and it has always been worth the wait. But since I've been out and away from my home, I just didn't want to unbox this until I had a chance to record me opening it and saying some nice things about Elderwood Academy because, well, they deserve nice things being said about them because they do good work. So just checking my order, it this was for their dungeon journal on Kickstarter. Um, According to this, my order was hard maple spine. The cover art was Celtic triangle, aka the triquetra, and the spine art was a moon magic. The colors involved, I wanted a their lapis colored leather, so blue, dark blue, and silver foil. And I tacked on just a little bit extra for a special request to have the snaps and rivets done in silver or chrome color rather than the brass that they were going to use. Just to match the foil and not contrast too much because I'm picky like that. So, yeah. Um, so let me just put OBS back up front so I'm not flash banging myself with the oh heck with it. Words hard. I've spent all day talking to customers, so now my brain is completely mush. So, yep. Put that back. I don't know if I'll need it. I get. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Worth the wait indeed. And a lovely little thank you card from. Oop, 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 oop. Yep. Yep. That was my personal information. We're gonna skip ahead. So, this is a little note. We want you to love each Elderwood product as much as we do, and for your purchase to become an eternal totem of fun in your games. We stand by everything we create, so the Elder legacy is that we will replace, repair, or refund any product anytime. Just reach out. Then there's some information about their social media stuff, which is not focusing, but I'll post a link in my description, or you can go here. They've been very accommodating in the past with their projects for me, and I'm very fond of their original spellbook, their Centurion deck box, which I bought with the Adventurer's kit for a portable D&D kind of kit as well. So anyways, the Dungeon Journal itself, as previously requested, they have provided. And oh, that's just some particle board or something, I think. So the in the dim light of my house, get rid of that for now. This is a very dark blue. It might even be black. I'm not entirely sure. The camera, however, is picking up a lot more light than I am. Whether it's blue or black, I don't really care. It looks slick. And the snaps and rivets are chrome as previously requested. So there are, oh, and the, God, this camera's down way too low. Get rid of that. Pardon the dirt on my floor here. I haven't swept in a couple of weeks. Yeah, so that's the Moon Magic design. It looks gorgeous. And the Celtic triquetra on the front. So the first thing I want to do is pop these two straps here, being very careful because this is very soft leather, it feels like. And this spine detaches for a dice and mini vault. Dice go down here, mini goes up here. I don't have a mini with me right now. But yeah, and more foam in the back there. Clicks in place, nice and secure. I'm going to put the snaps back in place just like so. And again, oh gosh, that is really frayed. That's a trifle concerning, I'm not gonna lie. That's very soft. Okay, well, anyways, opening this, yeah, there's the built-in ruler. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and detach the spine again, because it's probably not gonna lay quite properly flat. So there are some character sheets. These are all meant for 5e, and I'll be clear that I am not a fan of 5th edition. I've played 5th edition, but especially in light of recent events, I have chosen to refrain from engaging with any more of Hasbro's products. So the character tracker, I'm thinking I might be able to, I pledged extra for this, by the way. I might be able to press into service for a Lancer game or whatever, but yeah, again, I will not be engaging with any more 5e or 4e or even 3.5 or anything else built on the old OGL or anything to do with Hasbro. This is a personal choice. I'm not going to say one way or another, make any judgments on whether or not you, the watcher, if you do, well, that's up to you. I'm not judging you. It's just my choice. But anyways, the dials spin. They have a bit of grip to them. They are held in place by magnets, so there's the socket down there. There's a slightly pronounced metal nubbin there that sets right in. That's very nice. I do like that. This is a very good touch. I will say that the condition of the straps is a little bit concerning, this looking as frayed and soft as it is. But given that this is not going to see heavy use, I'm a little less concerned. It's mostly a shelf queen. I'll be quite frank. I'm not terribly worried about that. So this, oh gosh, drop it in my first outing here. Yeah, the engravings are lovely. Uh, hmm, that's yeah, that's really cool. That's cool as heck. I like that. But I might just put this to use with some A5. I think that's the correct name for the size paper, and use it as a journal of some sort. But yeah, overall, I am. Oops. Of course, that brass ruler. I am so absent-minded, and it's probably coming through in my speech here. I'm very excited to see this, though. I really am stoked. They did a wonderful job again at Elderwood. Um, but yeah, uh, overall, good marks. Again, not perfect. There are some slight condition issues, and these retention straps do feel a little bit fragile, but everything else is fantastic. No complaints. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here so I can go hop in the shower, take a NyQuil, and have myself a miniature coma until my Lancer game tomorrow night. Thanks again for joining me. This is Just Mutant Jed, and all the contact information will be in my description. Thanks again. Bye.